Okay, for next week we have a little hands-on project that we need to do to prepare for our final section next week, which is optimization problems. So we're not going to use a textbook, put that aside, but you need the following materials, which you can see right here on this table. Okay, you need a ruler, a pair of scissors, something to mark with, and a sheet of regular A4 paper. It must be A4 paper, not a North American 8.5 by 11, but A4 paper. Okay, we're going to use the A4 paper, by the way. A4 paper, the dimensions are 30 centimeters by 21. So it's actually 29.7 centimeters across, but if we use 30, that's good enough. And on the other side, it's 21 centimeters, okay? So what we're gonna do with this A4 sheet of paper is we're gonna fold it 2 times, okay? Fold it 2 times. So what we're talking about is right here, okay? So take the A4 sheet of paper, I'm gonna fold it twice, okay? Take the materials out of the way for a sec. Take the piece of paper, you're going to fold it twice. So you fold it once in one direction, like that, and then you go in the opposite direction like this. Doesn't matter which order you do it in, you should get a small rectangular piece of paper looking something like that. Okay? Then when you're done that, you're going to take your ruler, and this corner here, where there'll be one corner where there are no folds, okay? There'll be like 4 little corners of paper. In that one there, 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? In that corner, I want you to measure here a square of any size you'd like. Now, I did one that was right here, 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters, okay? Don't use 3 anymore, because we've got 3. I've done that one. Do 4, do 5. You can go as far down as here as you like, far across it. It must be a square, so you can't go any farther than this. You don't want to go too extreme because then this won't work. Do a small one if you'd like, anything you'd like. Do 1 square, 1, 2, 3. Think of a number that no one's going to use and try and get as much data as possible. We'd like to have somebody having at least a 0.5 centimeter, somebody out there, and all the way up to as big as you can possibly get. Well, the piece of paper is what? And at this point, we got 10 centimeters left. So 10 centimeters left. So if somebody wants to do 7 centimeters, that'd be pretty cool. 8 centimeters, whatever you can come up to, okay? We have 11 people, so try and get 11 different numbers there. Okay, when you're done taking the square, you've got it right there, you've measured it out, you're going to cut out that square with the scissors. Okay, there's the scissors. Now I can't actually cut it out with the phone in my hand, but I did already over here. Okay, so when you cut that square out, you're gonna have a little chunk of the paper gone. Unfold the paper, ta-da! And what you could do is you could fold, see if I can show you the remaining pieces back as such, right? 1, 2, 3, third side, fourth side. And what we have now is a box. Okay, so by folding the corners in, we get a box. By folding the corners, we get a box. What we want is to measure the volume of the box. So what are its dimensions? Well, used to be 30 centimeters across, but we took out 3 centimeters over here and 3 centimeters over there, so that means we're left with 20 take away 6, which is 24 centimeters. So the box is 24 centimeters along this diagonal, this dimension here. In this dimension, well, we had 3 that we took out here and 3 that we took out there, leaving us with 21 minus 6, or 15 centimeters this way. So the base of the box is 21 by 15. What's the height? Well, you can see the height. It's the 3 centimeters, okay? So the volume of this box is going to be calculated by the product of those 3 numbers. So we have, did it already, but I'll do it again. 21 times, we said, not 21, sorry, we said 15. Hard to do with your 15 by 24 by 3 gives us 15 by 24 by 3 gives us 1,080. So the volume of that box is 1,080. Okay? Then I'd like you to tape your box up with some tape. Okay? We'll get some different sized boxes. Put a picture on Google Classroom. Include somewhere in the picture the final result. So you might have something like this.